goes on my screen.
Okay, let's. Okay, Siberian Tigers, Jeffrey Bezo. And then Lynx is Joshi. Stingrays, Buddy. And Pumas is Sleepy Sarah.
Hey, I'm called Joshy.
3, 2, 1. Start game. Okay, I will not teach you guys anymore, okay? You should be able to memorize all those words by now. Oh, Siberian Tiger is so good. Oh, that's a close fight with Puma. You guys are so quiet now. Oh my god, Siberian Tigers and Pumas. Huh? Really? Oh, Pumas and... Oh no, Siberian Tigers. Just keep going, guys. Puma. Very close. Oh gosh. Okay, go, keep going. Pumas. Joshi, what happened?
I forgot everything.
I forgot everything. You got so stressed. Oh, Siberian Tigers and Pumas, who will win?